Hey guys, it's Ziya. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today, I figured I would just sit here and do a little get ready with me with you guys. I do these pretty often, but I always just delete them and I don't bother editing them because I'm just like, why? But I never learned. Step 1, tie up the hair. I bought these and I was like, I'm gonna use these when I do my makeup. I know this is not how you're supposed to use it. It's supposed to be this way while your hair is down, but I feel like if my hair is touching my neck, I can't do my makeup. Hence this. I should probably put it in a bun. That'll probably make it look a little bit better. I only have my hair straightened right now. I do plan on curling it. I was planning on curling it. Maybe I'll do that another day. I don't know. Here we go. That did not make it look better. Good enough. That's where we're gonna stop with that. All I know is that I am planning on keeping this makeup look really simple. So I just finished putting my SPF on and I'm going to pat powder all over my face here. This is how I've been priming my face every time I do my makeup lately. I found the hack on TikTok and it really works. And for those of us who have oily skin and have trouble with our foundations drying down, this will make your foundation dry down. I don't even set my entire face anymore after I put my foundation on because it dries. Oh, I forgot to do my, gosh darn it. I have been applying castor oil to my lashes and they have really improved. I also have this brow nourishing oil from a brand called Mina and it works really well. Like this one, this brow's all cut up. This one's pretty good. This one still needs some help. This is the daughter that went to med school and became a doctor and is now a pediatrician and works with kids and is married with a house and a husband and everything, and her immigrant parents are proud of her. Or parent, because the father disappeared when she was 5. This is me, 28, no babies, no job, but I am married, so I did check one of the boxes. It's got really deep there for a minute. I didn't even tell you guys what I'm using. This is the Skin Food Multi-Finish Powder. It's a peach powder. I would show you the front, but Yes Style covered it up with a stupid sticker. See how my face looks like blurry? That's what the powder does. Now it is time for setting mist. I gotta buy another one of these. I love it. It's the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And I'm going to apply the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I always forget how much of this that I need because I put it on so rarely. I do my makeup like once a week, maybe once every 2 weeks. It's very rare. Really, the only time I do my makeup is for special occasions, of which there are none right now, and to film. Like sit-down videos. I vlog all the time without makeup on. A few weeks ago I filmed one of these and I started editing it and I noticed that there was like a booger in this nostril and it was like sticking out for the first 10 minutes, and for some reason I didn't notice it while I was doing my makeup, so obviously that video never went up. I don't feel like wearing a very heavy foundation right now, so I am going to wear this. I could read it. I'm trying to remember when I could just read it. It's right in front of me. This is why I don't post these videos. Anyway, NYX, bear with me, Tinted Skin Veil in the color True Beige Buff. It's been a while since I have applied this to my face. Ooh. I like this because it doesn't feel very heavy on the skin. I'm just so used to not wearing makeup anymore that my skin does not enjoy heavier full coverage foundations. I would just spot conceal, but I need more help than that. And I know we could still see the darkness coming in right through here, but it's okay. I'm gonna go over it with like another thin layer, and then when I do my contouring and bronzing and all that good stuff, it's going to get covered up anyway. Luckily it's in like the perfect spot. Excuse me, bring back my Disney castle, thank you. I like it there. I feel like that didn't cover very much. It's okay, it's gonna be fine. And for concealer, I'm gonna use Tarte Shape Tape in the shade 22N. That is light neutral. I'm going to apply my Pat McGrath Lab Sublime Skin Finish in light. This is an under eye blurring powder. I like to apply this with a brush because you really don't need a lot. In fact, if you put on too much, it just gets sloppy. Like what happened right here when I added too much. It's okay, I'll fix it. Alright, I'm gonna do my brows and I'll be right back. These brows came out real bold today. This is a bit much, but it's gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine. It's like I don't even know what I'm doing. Oh, totally forgot to tell you guys what I'm using. It's the NYX eyeshadow base in the shade 3, and I just applied it to my whole lid. I just blend it out with my fingers, and I just take a light color like some more and pack that on. This is the Tartelette Toasted palette, one of my favorites, and it smells nice. Alright, I forgot to put powder. I'm putting powder over my nose and under my eyes, just like I would do if I were baking, just to make sure I catch any eyeshadow that wants to fall down. I'm not good at doing my eyeshadow before my foundation and stuff because I'm just going to ruin the eyeshadow if I do that. I really have to clean my brushes because I still have teal eyeshadow over a lot of them, and that is just not going to work. Alright, so I'm going to start with the shade Cashmere. I'm just going to slowly build up because obviously I've been messing everything up today. And I'm going to apply this into the crease here. Okay, I'm happy with that. I wasn't planning on doing something that matched my shirt, but here we go. I think I'm going to take a little bit of warmth to apply that into the crease as well. But I'm not going to take it as high as Cashmere. Just want to deepen up the crease. Now I'm going to take Latte. And yes, I've been using the same brush for this whole look. I'm just taking Latte on the outer corner. Alright, and for the rest of the eye, I'm just going to take Candle on my finger here and pat that onto the eye. So much for keeping it simple, huh? Time to move on to the lower lash line. I'm going to start off with Cashmere. I go into Warmth, and with Cashmere I went all the way from the inner corner to the outer corner. With Warmth, I'm starting at the outer corner, working about 3/4 of the way in, stopping just about right here. And lastly, I'm actually going to take a little bit of Cozy. I'm going to pop that right on the outer corner. Basically just like the width of this brush. See the width of it? That's all the amount of space that it covers. And I'm going to do that also to the top. Just kind of connecting them. I find that doing this helps my eyeshadow look a little bit more cohesive and put together by the time it's done. Alright, now I'm going to do my liner and my lashes. I'll be right back. That didn't go well. Be right back. Liner and lashes are on. Moving on to contour. So I have my KVD contour palette, same one I've been using for a very long time. That came out terrible. I don't know what happened. This side usually comes out perfect. I messed up somehow. What is going on? I think I just really need to clean my brushes. I'm gonna take this shade at the top. I'm going to cut right down here, clean everything up because it got really messy today. We're gonna let this sit while we work on our nose contour. And by we, I mean me, or I. I started contouring my nose and then my camera turned off. It turns out that I never hit record. So yeah, I'm using the light shade from my KVD Shade Light contour palette. English is my first language and I keep on messing it up. I use the light shade because, as you guys can tell, I tend to go a little overboard with my makeup because I have a heavy hand. I cover the whole bottom with contour powder up until about right here. That's like the middle of the tip of my nose because I'm trying to like make it a little higher. You know what I mean? Because I feel like it kind of downturns a little bit. It probably doesn't. You guys can tell me. But I feel like it does. I feel like when I'm looking forward and I look at it without the contour, it looks like it droops forward a little bit, not like that. So I pat powder into place and then I just start blending it down and up into my brows and blending it down the sides. I'm gonna take a little bit of the light shade on this little thin brush here and I'm gonna add a little line right here. I usually don't do this part, but I want to give it a try. I'm gonna try to blend that away because I added too much. Oh, who would have guessed that would happen? I mean, wow, my nose looks different. Oh, that's not even my nose. Whose nose is that? That's not my nose. I mean, I know it's supposed to make a difference, but like the difference it's making is like, that's not even mine. Who are you? I don't know if I like it, but this is what we're doing today. Also, I forgot the pen to my computer, so I guess that's staying off for now. Moving on to blush. So I have NARS Orgasm. This is a light, tiny little baby one that I got as a reward from Sephora. I don't really buy a lot of NARS things at all. I believe I've only bought one lipstick from NARS. And I always apply my my blush in like kind of a V shape, so it's lower down here and higher up here because my face is very round, as you can see. So I like to kind of add angles, higher up here, lower down here, higher up here, lower down here. Okay, this is going well. Don't say that. Don't say that. You're gonna ruin something. What you say? And I'm gonna apply some of this Laura Geller Blush and Brighten in Pink Grapefruit. I've been using this for so long. I love it. It's really good to put on before highlight. It just brightens everything up so much. Like, look at that. I look like I have beautiful glowing skin. I don't, but I can fake it. And before we move on to highlight, I'm gonna take a little bit more of this NARS Orgasm and apply that to the nose. I like an overly blushed nose. All right, now on to highlight. I'm gonna use my favorite highlight palette of all time. Hello? The Ziya liked my story, thank you. What am I doing? Oh, favorite highlighter palette of all time is the Nicole, wow. It's the Anastasia Nicole Guerrero Glow Kit. This is amazing. I love it so much. I wasn't able to get it the first time that this came out. I think this is the second release and it's been years. I should have bought two. I don't know what color to go with, but I think maybe a little peachy daydream thing's going on right here. Might be a good idea. So let's take a look. Probably not the best idea for today, but it is a really nice highlight. You can't go wrong with Forever Lit. That's the white one right down here. This just, oof. You can add that right up here on the brow bone. Whoa. You see that? That is blinding. I'm also going to add this onto the inner corners here. I love a good inner corner highlight. And I'm going to take a little bit on the nose. So right up here, right? I'm going to skip the little imaginary line now because it's not really there, but it's there. And I'm going to apply some right there. Whoa, that's not my nose. That is somebody else's nose. This don't even look like my face anymore because my nose looks different. I mean, it looks so high. Oh my gosh. Gonna take my little spoolie here, run it through my brows, hopefully soften them up just a little bit. I'm applying some boy brow, make sure all the hairs stay in place. Oh, I gotta dust this away. I forgot it was there. For my lips, I have one from Revlon. I have two from Revlon, but obviously I'm only going to use one. I haven't bought a Revlon lipstick in years, but I got this in a Vox box from Influencer. This is the color 20 Nude Illuminator. But first I'm going to line my lips using the ColourPop Lippy Pencil in the color Curvy. Oh my god, it almost perfectly matches my lips look. I feel like I overlined a whole lot. That was not my plan, but my hand slipped when I was on this side, so I had to even it out with this side. Now for the lipstick. It basically matches what I put on. Ooh, it smells like cotton candy. I feel like I used to have a lipstick that smelled like cotton candy. Or was that just like a lip balm that smelled like cotton candy? I don't remember, but it smells really good. You know what this smells like? Okay, for all my friends out there who grew up shopping at Walmart, they had this body spray that had like a fairy on the lid. They had like a bunch of them, right? But one of the scents was cotton candy. This smells like that. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm getting flashbacks to when I was 13. All right, it's done. It's basically done. Should I take my hair down? I kind of like it in the bun. I'll take it down. Alright, that is the whole look. It is all done. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm really happy with how everything turned out. I haven't done makeup in a minute, so it's been a week. I feel like it's been a week. Hold on, when's the last time I did my makeup? Tell me Snapchat, because that's what I took my selfies on. May 29th. Today is June. No. No, there's no way. Really? It's been a while. It's been much more than a week. Okay, I have nothing else to say. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below if you have not already. I put out new videos whenever I come out with videos. I was doing every week, and lately I haven't done that. It's just been really rough, okay? So like, but I do come out with videos like almost every week, so you know. If you want to subscribe and like subscribe to somebody that's not gonna blow up your inbox, subscribe to me. So hope you guys are staying safe, healthy, be nice to each other. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.